How to generate flashcards with AI. Do you already have any reading materials in PDF format? If so, you have the perfect resource to create flashcards for your students in seconds. We can use the content from this file to automatically generate a flashcard deck. To begin, I'll open AI Assist. Simply select the PDF as your source item. Now, the AI begins generating the flashcards. Review the suggestions, select the ones you want, and add them to your form. If you need more content, you can regenerate the list or manually add cards. See? It's that simple. This is how the finished deck appears on a student's mobile screen. Students can tap a card to flip it and then mark it as in memorized or a not sure. They can review any cards they haven't mastered as many times as needed to ensure the information stays in their long-term memory. Ready to try AI-powered flashcard generation? Get started today.